Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And I just realized that it's been a while since we've looked at Marvel Legends. So we're gonna remedy that with this video by looking at Marvel Legends, the unbelievable Gwenpool. Let's go! Okay, so we have here the unbelievable Gwenpool with hands shaped like a heart. Okay, heart. And then you can see here, there is an alternate head, a lot of alternate hands. And then I think this is a mobile phone and a couple of swords. Okay, so on the side, we see an illustration of Gwenpool. Same with the other side. And at the back, we have a short description of the character. So you can see here, there's a penguin. I hope we see a penguin inside. Okay, backpack penguin, looks really fun. And a brief description. Gwenpool is a self-made hero from the so-called quote-unquote real world. Gwenpool possesses unrivaled knowledge of the comic book universe. So he's from a universe that is very much to our real world. She is a fan of Marvel comic books. Okay, I guess her favorite would be Deadpool and Gwen Stacy. Okay, she looks like an amalgam of Gwen Stacy and Deadpool. And she became integrated in the main Marvel continuity. So she has the power like Deadpool of breaking the fourth wall. And of course, some other stuff. So she is from the Lizard Build-A-Figure wave, and she's #1 in the series with the tail supposedly of Lizard as part of that Build-A-Figure. And as we can see here, the tail is not included. This is what we call KLB, kinuha lang ang buff figure. Okay, so the rest is intact except for the back part that was taken out. Okay, but this is Pinoy Heroclix. So before we look at the unbelievable Gwenpool, let's take a look at Gwenpool in Heroclix form. And I've been looking for this figure for the longest time. Was hesitant to buy it abroad until one of my great friends, Larry, posted it in one of the Facebook groups. And I told him immediately, I need that Gwenpool. And much obliged, he gave it to me, okay, as a trade. So we have here the Gwenpool limited edition. Okay, so it's sealed, taped, okay, so unopened. One of the prices from before, I guess. So we can see all the different illustration of Gwenpool. It's a promo figure from WizKids. And 2017. So that's 6 years ago. So there's no other thing to do but to look at it. Let's go. So thank you very much, Larry, for the trade. One more addition to my collection. And you can see for most of these promo figures, the cards will be a little bent. Okay, and that's fine. We can straighten it out with a top loader. Okay, and of course we have the figure. It's a smaller scale figure. So you can see already she is 85 points. Gwenpool, and let's take a look at that sculpt. Okay, so she's jumping around nonchalantly, swords in both hands. Okay, there's no penguin bag. Okay, and she has dirt on her pants. So the paint job is not so good, at least for this one. Okay, there's really just one Gwenpool in Heroclix. There is another one, but it's, I think, Venom Gwenpool. So, but the original Gwenpool. Only one, and we are glad to have it here. And let's take a look what she does. She is MP 18-004, Batrox Brigade, Modox 11, and Assassin keywords. Real name is Gwendolyn Pool, so that's why, as I said, Gwen Stacy and Deadpool, Wade Wilson. She has a trait. You have your own team. Can I be on it? Shape change, and then wild card, and may instead choose a team ability an opposing character can use. Okay, so basically she can copy any team ability that is copyable. And then she has a special defense. We're losing. Time to cheat. Super senses once per turn. When an opposing character within range and line of fire rolls an attack roll, and one of the die result is a 6, you may place a die showing a 6 on this card. When Gwenpool rolls for super senses, you may remove the die on this card to replace your super senses roll. So that's I guess the very similar to a rally die that for super senses that you can use the rally die. And a special damage power, I just wanted to have pink and white clicks, range combat expert, improved targeting characters, some other powers here, splash page, everybody gets sidestep, more explosions equals more sales. Is this a Max book? I'm squishy, short click me, and I'm so meta. Okay. So the flavor texts are amazing. It reflects her awareness that she is part of a comics. So Gwenpool is significant appearance, unbelievable Gwenpool number 1. You can see the cover here. And 6 range, 10 running shot, energy explosion, toughness, and probability control on the first 3 clicks of the dial, and the last 3 clicks is sidestep, precision strike with that special damage and special defense power. So not so bad. Okay, 85 points. Would have loved it at around 60 points perhaps. Okay, but this is old school Heroclix, so the point cost of course is a bit different then. So that is Gwenpool. So let's go ahead and go open our main event, the Marvel Legends Gwenpool. This should already be open. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. She doesn't want to get out. Okay, so you can see the back of the box has that logo of G, cross swords, knife, and skull. Maybe Gwenpool related logos. Okay, so we have the swords. Let's take out the swords. I feel like not changing her pose. I like the pose, the heart pose. So let's take out the head. Okay, so there's a peace sign here. Oops. Peace sign hand. Okay. The hand is a bit off-white now. Okay, so that's the problem with white figures, I guess. Can become off-white. And then we have the cell phone. I wonder what's here. A hand. Okay. So this is complete. I think I got this fairly cheap because again there's no buff part. Okay. The question is there a backpack penguin? And there is. Okay, take a look at that penguin. Okay, let's pop her up. Hey, get out here, Gwen. Okay, so yeah, I will not change her pose. I like this pose. You probably just put the swords in. Okay, that would look amazing. Okay. There you go. I know. On second thought. Okay. So that's Gwenpool. She looks tight. Okay. Joints are tight. Okay. Bend the ball. Important. Hands are tight. Heads is movable. The penguin is a little dirty here, being stuck in plastic for so long. Poor penguin. Okay. But nonetheless, I love this figure. What do you guys think? Press like if you love this. Bye bye.